Rocking and rolling, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. We've got another quick little fitment video for you. Well, I'm going to assume that it's quick. It's going to be one of our Oz Canopies and 4x4 tow bars fitted, and also the plug and play wiring harness on this MV Triton. So the Oz Canopies and 4x4 tow bar for these ones are $449, brand new. 3.5 ton towing capacity, ADR approved, lifetime warranty. That may as well be the cheapest tow bar in the country. And with the plug and play harness on this bad boy, you're going to be able to have that automatic reverse sensor cutoff to give you all of that lovely, lovely convenience. Other than that, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so this is a representative white MV Triton. Unfortunately, we didn't get an outro on the video that we fitted the tow bar on specifically. But as you can see, very straightforward. It was a plug and play harness, bolt the tow bar on. That tow bar itself is available from $450 as of today, which is October 1st, 2025. $449 for a brand new tow bar in Australia. That could be the cheapest ADR approved tow bar in the country. If you want to grab one, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, notification bell. It's Chris. We'll see you guys on the next one.